intro, take one, I guess. Okay, so I'm putting together a whole bunch of videos of just general projects that I'm working on, doing, and whatnot. I may or may not have skipped the first couple, so like that one back there is a chalkboard paint piece of hardboard that I've got to just write memos, sketch up, and do whatever. Or the other night, I actually decided to try and carve out a little dice rolling thing. And, you know, I think it turned out not too bad out of a piece of scrap wood I've got. Now, I did make some big mistakes because originally this was supposed to be square, and it's not, obviously. What happened was I tried using some chisels with a stock edge on them, so just straight out of the box, and it didn't go so well, especially because I decided to cut an end grain piece, and that might have affected it a little bit when I was trying to scoop out. I don't know. It led to me having to use a drill, hole drill, so basically it'll drill out a full hole. I didn't have a Forstner bit or anything, so went straight through, so I gotta put a backer on this, which will be fun. I'll probably do something with magnets maybe. And also when I was trying to make the, oh shoot, was it with the exterior? When I was trying to make it round, or was it, no, this was when I was trying to split the two halves so it would have a cover. And basically I pried it, and this bit kind of shot off while the top came off. So, you know, it's good because it's for a druid. Meaning it's going to be all hoity-toity, earthy, hippy-dippy kind of a thing. Nothing wrong with hippy-dippy, just wasn't what I was originally going for. But it'll be fun. Did some wood burning and stuff on it too. But I'll try and take everybody along on this, so friends, family, Uncle David, you'll be along with all of this, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I'll not make a complete fool out of myself while I try and do things I have no idea how to do. But that's where we're at. And because I also don't know how to edit video yet, it's all probably going to be one takes. So y'all have a good one, and catch you on the next one.